Okay, I'm seeing if this actually works better for sound. That may sound weird. You probably really heard me just rustle my hair. Okay. Where the hell do I plug this sucker in just so you can hear me well? I guess my glasses will do. Because it's a kind of a crappy mic. Any mic I get is crappy so far. So, you'll have to deal with the fact that you can see my microphone. I have no idea what would be better. Not a clue. Now that's just funny. Okay, so you can laugh at the weirdness. I'm doing another taste test. Why? Because I'm a little depressed. I got bad news today. Not gonna tell you what the bad news is. First up is Butterfinger egg cups. I like Butterfinger, at least last I checked I did, but then I don't like cowtails anymore, and I used to like those when I was little. Ooh, wow, that smells like peanut butter. That's how it looks inside. You already presumed it's an egg. Not nearly as crunchy as the candy bar. But if you can hear what I'm doing in my mouth, it's crunchy. It's really good. It tastes like a Butterfinger bar, just creamier. Which, is okay. Next up is Red Velvet Drizzles. They're a type of brittle. They're red velvet brittle with chocolatey drizzle. They're from Harmon's. And they're in a silver bag. Sorry, but you might want to see me better. Who the devil designs these things? Ah, there's some scissors. I dropped the scissors. Who designs stuff that you cannot get into? Okay. I'm not a big fan of peanut brittle, but it looks like peanut brittle in the back, and it looks like velvety thing in the front, and I'm not gonna enjoy this. That's peanut brittle. And as much as I love chocolate, I do not love it on this. No, it tastes like one of those candy bars that you get when you're a kid that taste really bad. Sorry, peanut brittle. Oh, I know. It's the medicine that you confuse for candy. Yes, I have done that. It's not pleasant. So, yeah, that tastes like medicine. Blah. I don't know if I've done this before, but here is Truffles. I think I have. I think these are the Truffles that did not do as well as the other ones. Yep, I've done these before. These are these sickening sweet Truffles. So, I've already done these. So, I'm not going to do this again. At least I think these are sickening sweet Truffles. Alright, I'll do it again. It is from Gabby and Alicia. I could have sworn I've done this before. Oh, these are the mediocre ones. These weren't the fantastic, but they weren't bad. They are sweet as all hell, but they're just like a fluffy milk chocolate. I have had sweet to all hell Truffles before. Apparently those are not it. Thank you. It was on sale, so I bought it. It's Godiva. Godiva has good chocolate. At least that's what I hear. This is milk chocolate truffles. Now, who doesn't like Godiva? Well, I don't know. I don't remember eating very much of it. I think there's a Godiva shop near me. Ooh, it looks like a little flower eyeball. It says milk chocolate. Tastes kind of like dark chocolates in the middle. Kind of looks like it too. That feels so freaking decadent. Wow. 3 of these is 40% fat, so that is decadent to all hell. Because, you don't know, the more fat, the tastier it is. Okay, this says it has assorted flavors. Ooh, chocolate lava is the purple wrapper. Strawberry cheesecake is the pink. Creme brulee. Creme brulee is the orange. So, yeah, I'm going to overdo on fat today because I'm doing a taste test. But hey, at least it's delicious, delicious chocolate. And let's see. Okay. Orange, purple, pink. Ooh, wow. Very sweet stuff. So, now let's see. What did it say again? Let's do the orange first because I haven't had a good creme brulee yet. So, here's the creme brulee. It looks just like the other ones. Tastes like caramel. Tastes like caramel cheesecake. Kind of looks like caramel cheesecake. Because there's this white line and then there's this. It's really good. The microphone is weighing my glasses down. Okay, so I did not expect that to be good. Next up is the chocolate lava. And as we all know, I love the chocolate. Chocolate. It's dark chocolate looking. This is a bit of a disappointment. It has like a melted chocolate in it. No, more fudge. Yeah, that's dark chocolate. It's good and all. But I'm not a big fan of it. Okay, now the strawberry cheesecake. Now, if this was pink, it'd be awesome. Nope. It's chocolate on the outside. I kind of like strawberry as well. And I kind of want an all strawberry one. Nope. You got all the flavors there? But that's just too damn sweet. Okay, so that's good, but too damn sweet. Okay, so I got some more here. Ooh, caramel nut brownie. Yes, it was also on sale. So sue me. I like sales. Okay. It's also Godiva. Which Godiva, like I said, does usually have good. So it has dark chocolate on the outside. Oh! And this gooey center. Man. I mean, it had the crunch. It had the flavors there. It just had the problem with the fact that it's too damn sweet. It tasted like I shoved a thing of sugar in my mouth. They should refine that better, but there was the nuts and everything. That's pretty good, but yeah. I prefer my sweets not to be so sweet that I feel like I'm going to die of diabetes. Yeah, I know that sounds mean, but seriously, if the things are so sweet that you feel like you're going to go into insulin shock because you have so much sugar, that's pretty bad. Okay. Now, creamy almond crunch. I saw this and I just, ooh. This is from, I am not going to try and pronounce their name because God knows I'll screw it up because I have. They are American? This is American? I did not know. It says it's manufactured in America. Is it made in America? Made for Americas? I don't know. Eat. I really hate these rolly things. Where are the scissors? Cheating. I mean, come on. It's not going to really do much considering they're all wrappers. So, this is a milk chocolate with creamy almond filling. Texture of peanut butter, tastes like almond. Kind of reminds me of a Butterfinger. Okay. Another Godiva because again, sale. This is chocolate Nibs. I have no idea. It's dark chocolate, which again, we all know I'm not a fan of. I like milk chocolate, which is really funny because I am a chocolate-aholic. Which if I couldn't eat chocolate, I'd be depressed. Okay. It's a shiny wrapper. And it comes in those very large squares. I'm hoping to just break off a small little chunk. It's crunchy dark chocolate. And you're going to say, oh, all dark chocolates taste differently. I know I've said that. This is a mediocre dark chocolate. It's like the dark chocolate that tastes like all dark chocolates. This is the stereotype dark chocolate. So, yeah. Okay, what else do I got? Lindor. Oh, Lindit. All I know is it's chocolate lava cake. Molten lava cake. Who cares? It's cake in chocolate form. And yes, I know the other one did that too. The dessert thing. But it failed. Let's see if they succeed. Silver wrapper. Come on, why didn't you just make it into little squares? They're all connected, which means they're going to ooze out everywhere if you don't eat the whole bar. Oh, that's nice. It hasn't melted yet or pulled out yet. That's supposed to be oozy. It's not oozy. Don't get me wrong, it tastes fantastic. Lindor makes really good chocolate. Would I call that molten lava cake? No. But I would call that awesome for s'mores. So let's wrap you up, Mr. Chocolate. Because I got like 3 more things to do. Okay. Yep. To end the chocolate fest, it is fingers. Cadbury fingers. God, I hope they didn't chop anybody's off. Yeah, so they're apparently dark chocolate cookies. Which, if they're... Was the other one Cadbury? The cookie thing? Yeah, I think that was. If they're anything like that, these are bound to be fantastic. Because I bought out all the regular ones from Easter. Well, they all decided to join each other. I'm glad I got some Ziploc bags when I was out. Come on out, buddies. So it looks like a stick. It's less awesome. Because you see the biscuit inside, or cracker, cookie, whatever you want to call it. And it's most of the thing. There's no chocolate, cracker, cookie, whatever you want to call it, biscuit. And my fingerprints are all over it now. Dude, if you're going to make one of these things like this, make sure the cookie and the chocolate are equal. Learn from the Japanese. They have pretty good sweets. Is it bad? No, I actually rather like it. But they're very fatty. No more fatty foods for me today. I'm just going to be eating stuff like the hamster. Now to finish up the sweetness. Banana split marshmallows. They're jumbo size. And it looks like there's 2 different flavors. There's the chocolate banana. Holy cow, that tastes like artificial banana. And the other side tastes like chocolate. And then there's the strawberry. Which kind of tastes like strawberry. These smell like somebody's gym socks. Don't sniff the container. It smells like gym socks. As for the flavor, not bad. S'mores. Or I can make a marshmallow mountain. And to end up this thing with a savory thing, well, at least I hope it's savory, it's citrus basil, or basil citrus. It's turkey jerky. I can't have regular jerky because I can't digest it. So I use turkey jerky, which I can eat a whole bunch of this because it has like no fat. And you are becoming my eyeball. So let's see what this is like. I would like a smaller piece, please. Weird. Kind of smells like a salad with poultry. This isn't bad. I thought it'd be a lot worse. You get some different spices. It's not just basil. Yeah, I can taste lemon in there. I can taste the honey. I can taste the sea salt and celery seed. I knew it! Onion and garlic. Apple juice. There's apple juice in here, and there's sugar. Why the hell would you put sugar on your turkey? Well, it's actually pretty good. Really savory. And sweet, which is weird. It's savory and sweet. But I don't think I'll be seeing it again because this was on sale. For $5! I'm not spending $5 on jerky, especially such a little pathetic bag. And they need to get me a dehydrator so I can make my own turkey jerky. Turkey jerky! So, this is my taste test for today. I wonder if you can hear me or not. Hopefully you can. And what I recommend is that trying the stuff for yourself. Because I cannot tell you what to like. I can just tell you, I didn't like some of it. And I like some of it. Okay, don't get me brittle. Don't get me brittle. Okay, I will catch you guys later. Bye.